Let's take a look at SocialHire Chrome extension. First, let's see how we can scrap LinkedIn data in bulk. Go to LinkedIn and search for a particular role. For example, let's search for data analyst. You will see a filter option on the search results page. Now, under the filter option, you can add criteria such as company type, location, and industry based on your requirements. You can also use keywords to narrow down your search results. Once you have applied these filters, you can see the updated results. Let's see how to extract the information from these profiles into an Excel file using SocialHire Chrome extension. We can see the Start button here. Click on the Start button to begin scanning all the profiles. It will scan all of these profiles. Once the scan is complete, click on the Settings button and select Download to get all the profile results. If we enable email lookup, it will automatically look up email. If webhook is enabled, we will make a call to webhook with the LinkedIn contact information. A LinkedIn connection message will automatically send a LinkedIn connection message. Once you click Download, you will have all the profile results in a file. By clicking these files, we can view all the profile results in Excel. Similarly, if we want to scrap individual profiles, go to any LinkedIn profile you want to scrap. Click SocialHire Chrome extension. It will load all the data of this profile. Click Save. The data will get saved in Excel. For more information about SocialHire and its features, please contact info@socialhire.io.